Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unsubscribe from emails on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to unsubscribe from emails on Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. And after opening a Gmail app, guys, you will be on the primary inbox section of your mail or your Gmail account. At the top left corner of the screen, tap and you can see you'll be on the primary section. There will be promotions as well as any other things you have subscribed over here. But with that being said, guys, we'll be going to the primary in order to learn to unsubscribe from emails. So on this interface, guys, open up the email of the person or the organization from which you want to unsubscribe. For example, I'll be going to the Steven Cymatics over here. I had subscribed to them earlier because it's awesome. And with that being said, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the mail over here where I'm tapping, you can see the unsubscribe button is available for us over here. If you tap on that, you can see this kind of pop-up box will appear where you will be able to unsubscribe from them if you tap on the unsubscribe button over here. But in any case, if the unsubscribe button is not available at the top right corner of the mail as it is over here, let's open up an email where on that email the unsubscribe button is not available. So let's open this one, and you can see, guys, currently there is no unsubscribe button available for us over here at the top right corner of the mail. But in this case, guys, at the top right corner of the screen and not this email, there is a three-dotted icon available for us over here at the top right corner, just beside the mark to read option. Tap on the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, and the unsubscribe button is available for us over here. If it's not available at the top right corner of the mail, tap on unsubscribe and you will have unsubscribed from the emails from that user or creator. And with that being said, guys, the unsubscribe button will be available for every mail. You can see there it is. And there, guys, this is how you will be able to unsubscribe from emails on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.